Chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try to make the Arden'S Garden cold press complete recovery fruit drink at home, since somebody decided to clear all the shelves at the grocery store, and I'm not going to call no names, but that is the reason why I am making my own drink at home. I'm going to try to use the same exact fruits that are used in the original drink. So let's see what these ingredients are to make this drink. So I have some bananas, some ginger, some granny apples, some baby carrots, and some chili powder. Now I'm supposed to use cayenne pepper, but since I'm out, I'm going to use some chili powder. And I'm using my juicer as well as my Ninja. The first thing I'm going to do is cut my apples and remove the core. I'm cutting a few pieces of ginger, but I found out real quick when I took that first sip and my drink was spicy. So all you need is this very small piece of ginger. As far as the carrots, I'm leaving them whole. Next, I'm going to use my juicer to juice the apples, the carrots, and the ginger. So first I'm starting with my carrots. Now this juicer has two compartments and I'm going to show you the compartments. One is for the juice and the other one is going to retain the skin. I had to bring my baby back to do this job. This juicer is over 7 years old and it still works like a charm. So as you can see, it's separating the juice from the skin. And next I'm adding the ginger. Next I'm emptying the compartment that holds the skin. Next I'm juicing my granny apples. This is what the fruits look like after they have been through the juicer. And this is my juice from the carrots, the ginger, and the granny apples. Now I'm going to move on to my Ninja blender. You can use any blender. I'm adding 2 of the 3 bananas to my blender. I'm adding my juice to the blender. I'm sprinkling a very small amount of chili powder that I am using as a replacement for cayenne pepper. I'm blending all my ingredients until my juice is completely smooth. I'm going to add the 3rd banana to turn down the heat from the ginger just a little bit, and I'm going to continue blending my drink. So guys, this is my homemade Arden'S Garden cold pressed fruit juice, and I'm pouring it into my smoothie jar. It is very smooth and full of nourishing ingredients. It looks exactly like the one that I purchased from the store. The consistency is the same, the color is the same. Since sharing is caring, you guys can have a small sip and let me know what you think of the drink. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.